Hello mga pinatid may lahat kong matalunod. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. April 22, 2021. Francisco Pipi Jr. At your service matalunod. Ang buhatin. At kung ipadayon ang kalambuan.